Hello everyone. So first we are going to make four types of flowers, starting by making the middle part of the first one. We are going to make the petals, then we are going to make the leaves and the stem, and it is ready. Next we are going to make the middle part of the flower and then start making the petals in slightly curved shape. After that we are going to make the stem and the leaf as well. Then we are going to color it with red color. Next we are going to start our flower by making the middle part and then start making these long and round petals. After that we're gonna make this long stem and these leaves as well, and then we're gonna move ahead towards the fourth one, starting by making the middle part, and then we are going to use these lines for joining our petal together. After that we are going to make the stem and the leaf as well, and now you can color it with any color you want. We have colored the petals with lemon yellow color, and you can see they are all ready and look so good. Next we're gonna make orchid flowers, starting by making some dots and then using these dots for the center of our flowers, and start making the petals by using the black pen. After they are ready, we are going to move ahead towards the stem and the leaves. Starting by the stem first, we are going to make a long stem of it, then we will make the leaf as well, and we are not going to leave space in the flowers, as you can clearly see in the video. When they are done, you can color them with any color you want. Here we have used purple color and green color. We have used purple color for coloring our flowers and green color for coloring the leaf and the stem, and then you can see it looks so good and beautiful. Next we are going to make some pink roses, starting by making these circles by using this pink sketch pen. First we are going to make those roses, and then we're gonna make some detailings on it by using this red color pen. Now we are going to make some stems which are bunched together, and then we are going to make a knot on them as well, and after that we are going to make some leaves by using green color. After this all done, you can see your beautiful flower bouquet is completed. You can even use more color combination for the roses as per you want. Next we are going to make a flower, starting by using brown colored pen. For making the petals of the flower, we're gonna make some curved lines, as you can clearly see, joined together, and then we are going to make some small lines also, as we did earlier. When the flower is ready, it should look like this, as you can see in the video. After that we will move ahead towards the stem. We're gonna make the stem with the brown pen only, and then we're gonna make some leaves at both of the sides of this flower. We're gonna make the leaves in the curved shape as we are doing, and then we're gonna use yellow colored pen for coloring the flower. When it's ready, we're gonna use green color pen as well for coloring the leaf.